Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a brake light on your Honda Odyssey. It's a straightforward process that you can do yourself with just a few basic tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and of course, a new brake light bulb. We'll walk through each step, making sure your vehicle is safe and visible on the road again in no time. Let's get started. First, open your Honda Odyssey's rear tailgate all the way up. This gives you clear access to the area behind the tail light. Look for a small access panel on the inside trim of the tailgate, near the light. Gently pry this panel open using your flathead screwdriver. Once open, you'll see two Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove these two screws to free the tail light assembly from the vehicle's body. Be careful not to drop them. With the screws removed, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back and away from the vehicle. It might be a little snug, but it will come out. Now, locate the brake light bulb socket on the back of the assembly. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock and remove it. The old bulb simply pulls straight out from the socket. Take your new bulb, ensuring it's the correct type, and push it firmly into the socket. It should click into place. Once the new bulb is in, reinsert the socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to secure it. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its opening on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, close the access panel. Before you finish, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.